By 2026, AI is everywhere. Anyone with an internet connection can access it. Yet, if you walk into a local shop or a real estate office, the owners are still buried in physical paperwork while a glowing tablet demands their attention with endless digital notifications. Generic AI text generation fails to solve this. These raw outputs are prone to hallucinations, inventing facts, details, or dates, and they require heavy manual editing to ensure they reflect the reality of the business. Most business owners have no interest in learning complex prompting or troubleshooting software. They are losing hours every week to repetitive tasks, and they simply want to reclaim that lost time. The lucrative opportunity resides in providing finished, accurate execution that removes the owner from the process entirely. To bridge that gap, you have to move past generic tools. This flowchart illustrates the difference. A standard prompt leads to a dead end requiring heavy editing. A research engine, however, connects to live web data, scraping competitor reviews, local news cycles, and social media trends to identify verified facts. These specific details, like a shift in local pricing or a trending community event, consolidate into a structured blueprint. By looking at actual data instead of guessing, a single operator can map out a complex market with zero coding. This deep research is the mandatory first step. It allows you to identify a business's specific pain points, which you can then solve using one of 3 targeted services. The first service is AI content creation, targeting local businesses. Take a local restaurant. They need a steady stream of communication to stay relevant, a structured monthly content calendar, promotional ideas, and multiple social media captions ready to post. You feed raw local data and event dates into the funnel. A validation layer ensures facts are correct before AI produces a first draft. Then, you act as the essential quality control layer, editing for natural tone and finalizing documents for the client. Applying this rigorous research and editing filter transforms you into an indispensable business asset. You provide the accuracy that a raw AI prompt cannot. The second side hustle is AI-powered video creation for digital educators, podcasters, and coaches. These creators usually have a specific bottleneck. They possess hours of high-value raw footage, but they lack the time or technical skill to edit it into something shareable. An AI tool scans a 1-hour interview, mathematically analyzing the audio to identify interesting moments. It highlights these specific spikes as high retention zones. The system extracts these moments, generates captions, and formats them into polished short clips for mobile viewing. This workflow allows you to move away from hourly rates. Instead, you sell monthly retainer packages, delivering 20 finished videos per month, for example. The real value here is the multiplier effect. You use AI to turn a single dormant asset into multiple high-performing marketing tools. The third and highest ticket service is AI automation. Businesses bleed operational hours every day to repetitive tasks, like lead follow-ups, daily data sorting, and initial inquiries. A local real estate firm receives dozens of customer messages a week, converging into a central bottleneck requiring manual sorting. Using no-code AI, you can build a system that automatically ingests these messages, categorizes leads by priority, sorts them into pipelines, and triggers customized responses. Building these systems requires you to first research and understand the business's specific architecture. You are solving a structural problem, not just operating software. Automation commands a premium price. It returns hundreds of operational hours directly to the business owner. Launching any of these services requires zero existing audience. You only need to acquire a single first client. The acquisition strategy is precise. Select one specific side hustle, choose one hyper-specific target audience, and build exactly 3 sample projects. Running these sample projects through a high-accuracy research phase ensures that your pitch directly addresses the client's actual niche problems. This hyper-targeted preparation removes the friction of cold outreach. You aren't asking for a chance. You are providing undeniable proof of your competence. When you pitch, focus exclusively on tangible business results, like turning long videos into short clips or automating lead follow-up, rather than the underlying software. Deep research and practical problem-solving are the products that generate revenue. AI is the engine that speeds up the delivery. Which of these 3 side hustles are you going to research first? Let me know in the comments.